Hey guys, so I'm here with a video, and today I'm going to be doing slime. And if you guys have TikTok, I'll put in the description down below, I'll put my TikTok, and then you guys put yours, so I know who sent me a follow request. And in my next video, I'll do edit tutorial. So I'll get back to you guys when it's done. So guys, my slime is all done. And I want you guys to go follow some people on YouTube. I want you to go follow Jazz and Tay, Sierra and Jordan, and Asia's World. So, yeah. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Bye.